So there it is. There's the main jet. This is what I use to poke it with. It's a tip cleaner for welding. And you're going to need one or something, a little wire. But this slips out. Okay. And then on this, you can see there's 2, 3, and they go all the way through. You see those little holes? And then there's 2 on this side that go through. So you want to clean those real good. That's this number small poker, the real small one. Alright. And then on here, there's one main one right there. You see it? And you also want to run it, of course, up and down, straight through the whole thing. And then there's one on the tip right there. So those are all the main parts. Now, I always get in my kit the new little O-ring right here too. Alright, because if that thing is sucking air, it won't run right.